I'm here for another hat review. Today we're going to be reviewing a hat from Sterkowski. I figure I couldn't have my homie Moose having all the fun reviewing Sterkowski's caps, so I'm going to review one myself. The cap I'm wearing today is their black denim trawler. It's a Greek fishing style hat, a fiddler style cap. I really like this cap. I really like the look of it. I've always liked these Greek fishing caps. They also call them Fiddler caps because it's what the main character on Fiddler on the Roof wore. Sterkowski is a Polish hat maker. They really are known for making some quality caps. Again, I know them for this style of cap mostly. They're fishing caps and that. Man, I don't know what to say about this one. This might have to be my new look. This is really a cool cap. They make this cap in a lot of different materials. Like a canvas, a cotton canvas that comes in a whole bunch of different colors. You've got this black denim. They also have a dark blue denim and a medium denim. They sell it also in a waxed cotton and leather versions as well. Badge. Honey Badger. See if we get the Honey Badger seal of approval. Badge. There she is. Oh. Let's see what she says. She's my massive lap dog. What do you think, Badge? Do you like the George R. Martin look for me? Huh? Again, this is Sterkowski's black denim trawler cap. I'm a big fan of it. Like, subscribe, and share. Again, let's go outside and get a better look at this in some natural light. I just want to show you how nicely packed this Sterkowski trawler cap came. This was tissue paper was inside the cap. It was inside this bag, and you can see the cap fits perfectly in there. It's not going to get crushed and full of wrinkles like it can happen with a lot of hat companies. Information there for you. Just pause it if you want to read any of that. It's a 10% off code for you. 100 years of tradition, 4 generations, 1 passion. Again, if you want to pause and read any of this. They make a lot of different kinds of hats, and they make them well. I'm out here reviewing my Sterkowski trawler cap. It's a Greek fishing fiddler style cap. Man, I love this cap. I've always been a fan of these Greek fishing hats. They've just got a really cool look, very comfortable to wear. And again, they're good out in the sun because they've got enough visor to protect your eyes. When you got blue eyes like I do, they can be kind of sensitive to bright light. But again, this is the Sterkowski Trawler Greek fishing hat. I highly recommend it. I'm going to get a few more caps from Sterkowski in the future. The quality of this cap is really nice. Really a cool cap. Like, subscribe, and share. check out our Roundtable hat reviews, live streams with reviews with Moose, Anox Unbox, and Brandon's Hat Hub. They're every Tuesday at 7:30 Central, 8:30 Eastern. We have a lot of fun. Again, this is the Sterkowski Trawler Cap. It's a Greek fishing hat. Like, subscribe, and share. See ya.
Join us every Tuesday at 7:30 p.m. Central and 8:30 p.m. Eastern. Ow!
Morning comes, same old life. Cap on my head, feels right. World spins fast, loud and thin. I stay steady under the brim. Under the brim, I'm still the same. Through the dark, through the rain, under the brim, I'm still the same. Under the brim, will never change. Ooh, years roll by, caps get warm. Sun and rain from dusk to morn. Lines on my face, truth don't bend. Living my life under the brim. Under the brim, I'm still the same. Through the dark, through the rain, under the brim, I'm still the same. Under the brim, will never change. Ooh, shake it. Drop day morning, phones in hand. Austin, Scally noon, that's the plan. Folky brim swisher, Peaky live. Refresh the page, don't blink, don't try. Flat caps low, Newsboys worn. Gas beach broken and rain or storm. Under the brim, that's how we move. Off the brim, same hard groove. Hat hustling, catching all them drops. Under the brim, till the clock won't stop. Dubs hat hub reviews with Moose and Ox. 508 Airborne, on that can stop. Hat hustling, pages reload. Miss one drop, still on the road. Hat hustling, head down, brim low. That's the life, if you know, you know. Off the brim, 2026. Tell them it's Roundtable in the mix.
Thanks for watching. Check out our merch store down below.